In this video, I'm going to share with you how much I budget and spend as a data analyst in Zambia. If you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Lou. So I'm actually not going to share with you how much I make exactly because it is against company guidelines. Like it's literally written in my contract that it's confidential information, right? So what business do I have saying it on the internet? Rather than telling you how much I make, or maybe I should tell you at the end. We'll see. I'm going to do a percentage allocation of how I spend my money. So we're going to take 100% as my salary. And from that 100%, the first thing that I spend on or budget is 10% for tithe. I'm Christian, and I genuinely believe that I cannot make the money that I make without God, and God is the one who gives us that money. So 10% belongs to Him, and yeah, 10% of my money belongs to Him. And then right after 10%, we have 42%. I know it's crazy. Oh, by the way, I'm actually reading from my notes. So yeah, we have 42% that I take away for like a home contribution. It might seem like a lot, but it's okay. It's something that I'm comfortable with. I remember having this conversation with my private wealth advisor, and she said that seems like a lot, and I was like, yeah. And then she's like, but it also sounds very necessary, and I was like, yeah. So yeah, with personal finance, it's really personal and up to you and how you spend your money. So yeah, for me, 42% goes towards home contribution, and then 23% of my money goes towards my transport and lunch. I know I could be packing lunch, like cooking from home and then do packed lunch at work, but then sometimes I just don't feel like eating what I packed. It feels like a lot of time cooking and packing food. So I would rather just buy food from work. So I do like 23%. I usually spend like 50 kwacha on transport every single day and 50 kwacha on lunch every single day. And my lunch is pretty basic. It's like nshima. Isn't Nshima basic? Anyway, it's something that still makes me full. If not that, then I'll probably just get like the Hungry Lion Big Bite one. Maybe I should do a video on how I spend money. Yeah, yeah, we should do that. Anyway, so we have 10% for tithe, 42% for home contribution, 23% for transport and lunch, and then we have 0.03% for my Capcut subscription because I'm a content creator and I'm trying to make money off this platform. So I pay for Capcut because I want like premium content and features. Also because I just don't like that little Capcut symbol in my videos. Like, no. Okay, so moving on to my next allocation, which is 0.015% of my salary. This goes towards my laundry. So I'm just a girl. Okay, like I'm really just a girl. I don't like doing my laundry. I feel like laundry is my least favorite chore to do. The whole washing and ironing process. When I have enough money, I feel like the first thing I'm going to buy is a washing machine because gosh, I can't stand thinking about the laundry that I have to do. So, yeah, and I pay like 100 kwacha per month to have my laundry done. So I think it's okay. Right after 0.015%, we have 0.03% on data. So I spend that amount of money on data, and sometimes it's actually higher, especially in months where I'm uploading YouTube videos from home. So this goes like to maybe 0.1% because I would need like more data to hotspot my laptop and like upload videos and all that jazz. And then 0.13% goes towards my hair, my nails, my laundry, and my not my laundry, but my hair, my nails, my clothes, upkeep, and like feel good things basically. You probably noticed that I haven't mentioned things like rent, health insurance, retirement or private pension or investing, and I also haven't mentioned like bills or utilities. That's mainly because I live with my parents, and thank God they take care of all those things, and I'm really grateful for that. So um yeah, I don't like pay for any of those things from my salary. I actually don't even pay for those things because I live with my parents, which is great. Which is great. I don't think I'm moving anytime soon, you guys. So yeah, so that's how much I spend, or that's the allocation that I have from my salary. So my side hustle is the one that caters for my saving and investing and my emergency fund, because I feel like my salary isn't that big for me to like remove some money for investing and saving and my emergency fund. And I think this is something that I say on the channel quite a bit, which is if your money is not a lot, you need to make more money to allocate to other places. Okay, like if you don't have money, how are you going to save and invest? So you need to make more money. And I think that's a strategy that I've gone with. My salary isn't that big, and that's fine. I just use it for the basics. But my side hustle, though, that's what I use for saving, investing, and my emergency fund. And the allocation isn't always the same. It depends on like what's going on in my life at that time. But it's usually like bare minimum 20% saving, 20% investing, 10% emergency fund. And then if I have extra, then I can see like, okay, maybe let me bump up my emergency fund, or let me bump up my savings or my investing or whatever it be. But yeah, I hope you like this video. Please let me know in the comment section what your biggest um, bill is. And that's about me. Also, let me know in the comment section what videos you'd like to see from me, and I will be sure to make them. I remember last time in my previous video, a lot of you wanted me to make the video on how to make money. So please subscribe to the channel because that's coming, okay? It's in the pipelines and I hope you're going to like it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!